Y'all, I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but I finally did it. After 3 years of growing, not touching, no trimming, just letting my beard do what it do, I finally trimmed that sucker. Let's see if y'all can take a little gather right there. You can see that length? Yo, the fact that y'all can even see my chain now is a damn miracle.
Finally, The Rock has come back!
2, the medium length beard. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video because I have a very, very important message regarding beard trimming. Roll that intro. Now, what I've noticed when it comes to beard trimming specifically, there tends to be 2 complete opposites. In camp number 1, which is the camp that I'm generally in, that's the minimal, don't touch it, let it grow, not too much shaping, not too much grooming. You're kind of just letting it do what it do naturally. And then you got the second camp on the complete opposite side of the spectrum, which is kind of like the overly grooming, that kind of metrosexual, every hair has to be in place, you know, super trimmed down, 5 o'clock shadow type of beard. Now, I am not the beard police by any stretch of the imagination. You know my motto, and I've said it on multiple videos before. You do whatever the hell you want to do with your beard, because that's been my motto regarding my beard personally. But my important message for you guys in this video is this. Whatever side of the fence you're on, the I don't trim or touch or groom anything versus the I will trim and touch every single hair that comes off my face, break out of your comfort zone and meet somewhere in the middle. Why? Because reality is your best look will lie somewhere in the middle. So that's my message, and then let me take it towards me to use as an example so you guys really get the gist of what I'm saying. I'm Mr. Stubborn. I mean, I'm a Taurus, and on top of that, I'm a May Taurus. Shout out to all my May Tauruses out there. So I had mom, cousins, girlfriends, randoms, all walks of life who would see me in my long ass beard and be like, you should trim it, you look better trimmed, you should trim the ends, blah 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 blah. And you know my motto, y'all, keep my beard out your mouth. I'm gonna do me, I'm gonna grow it, just let me do what I do. It actually wasn't until I watched one of my recent videos, which was the 2022 updated beard routine video. And I was watching it, and towards the end, I'm gonna play it on the screen here, I was looking at my beard and I was like, God damn, that joint is long, man. The front of my beard, it's the fastest part of my beard, and it's actually the fastest part of anyone's beard. And it actually grows so fast that it outgrows the size. So it makes this cone looking shape when it's fully detangled and combed out. So what I did after seeing that, I was like, I'm gonna take a leap of faith and just trim that sucker. And dare I say, it has been a night and day reaction from all walks of life. Y'all saw that thumbnail. Fellas, step outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to experiment. It's just facial hair. It will grow back. So, with that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. I am out. Peace out until the next video.